Welcome back, children. Now this is question number 2 of exercise 13.6. Here I will teach you how to draw the different angles. Okay, beta, the first thing, to draw an angle we use protractor. This is an protractor. Okay, this is a protractor. So there are few steps which you have to follow. The first thing, you have to draw a line of any length. Okay, we are going to draw angle of 20 degree. The first thing, you have to draw a length of draw a line of any length. Okay, so here we have 2 points. You can draw the angle on any point. First of all, I will teach you how to draw angle on this point. So this point will be your base point and this line will be your baseline where you are going to draw your angle. Okay, the second step, this is your protractor. So now this is the center point of your protractor. This is the center point. Okay, so you have to keep this center point on this base point in such a way that this line, this center line, okay, this line and this line overlap each other properly. Clear? So now I will keep this center point, okay, on this base point. Now both the lines are overlapped properly. Clear? Now the next step is, now this is our baseline. Our baseline is here towards this side. It is towards right side. Okay, now we will read our angle from this 0 because our baseline is going towards this side. Clear? So here we have two sides 0, this side and this side. So we will read from this side because our baseline is going towards this side. So 20 degree, this is 0, this is 10 and this is 20. So we'll put a dot here. Okay, now join this point with this point. Clear? This point with this point. Now this is your 20 degree angle. Now 90 degree angle, again same method. Draw a line or ray of any length. This is your base point, this is your baseline, or baseline is going towards this side. Okay, so first of all, the second step is, we will keep the center point on this base point, overlap both the lines. Okay, this line is overlapping this line. Now count 0 from this side. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and this is 90. This is 90 degree. Okay, now join both the points, this point with this point. Now this is your 90 degree angle. In the next question, I will teach you how to draw an angle on the other point. Again, draw a line or ray or any length. Now in this question, we will draw the angle on this point. Okay, this is our baseline and our baseline is going towards this side. Now again, the next step is, keep the center point of protractor on this base point. Now both this point, okay, this line and this line, they are overlapping each other properly. Now we will count the 0 from this side because our baseline is going towards this side. Okay, now 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. We have 60 here and we have 60 here also. We have 60 here and here also. Clear? But because our baseline is going towards this side, understood or not? So now we will count from this 0, the 0 which is outside. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. This is 60 degree. Okay. Now we will join this point with this point. This is our 60 degree.